I remember coming back to Walmart, like to work there, after being gone for 2 years, because this is during the time COVID hit. So everybody was going home when I needed to work, so Walmart. And I remember my first day walking in, I was surprised because there were so many people I had seen working there 2 years ago, still working there, working the same position, probably getting the same pay because it's Walmart, doing the same stuff. Even like my team, like the team I was working with before I left, they were still there. And it hit me like 2 years had passed and they were doing the same things. Nothing had improved for them. If anything, it probably got worse, but I'm looking from the outside in, so I can't tell for sure. But all I can tell was they were in the same spot. 2 years had passed. 2 years, same spot. And when I looked at myself, I realized I was no better. Here I am, I have these ambitions and these dreams to achieve and do more and to break like the generational curse of my family. But I'm still at Walmart, doing the same thing, getting the same pay, living the same life. And it hit me like time is going to pass. Time is not stopping for anybody. And if you aren't actively working for something you want while time is passing, you're going to be stuck in the same position. And things most likely will be worse because life does not stay the same. As the tide goes in, the tide goes out. The moon comes up, the moon goes down. We are in a constant, the seasons change. We are in a constant state of change. Nothing ever stays the same. So if you aren't getting better, then that means you're getting worse. So imagine that. Imagine 2 more years pass. And you're still no better than you were the previous 2 years. You're worse off. That will happen. That is possible. I've seen it. It happened to me. 2 years passed. I wanted to be an entrepreneur for so long. I wanted to make money online for so long. And 2 years passed with me having that dream and nothing happening. Time is passing. You don't have the leisure of just letting it stop. And because you're here watching this video, I know you have a drive for something deeper. You came into this world with an ambition unlike anyone else's. And we need people like you in this world. But unless you activate that ambition and you act on it, you're going to go to this grave with wasted potential. And you're going to know that, and that's going to kill you. You don't want that type of guilt. You don't want that type of regret. Now, since time is going to pass no matter what, I want you to use that time that's passing to grow instead of staying as you are, which we know will never happen. You're going to get worse because we are in a constant state of change. So as time is passing, because it's going to pass anyway, do what it takes. Like, pick up a book and read something and learn something new. Learn a skill. Learn more about yourself. Get started on that business you've always wanted. Whatever it is that came to your mind that you want to do, start doing it. Because 2 years will pass like this. And those 2 years can either pass in a blip and you are on the other side much better than before, or it can pass and you can be looking around thinking, why is my life no better? Why am I so stuck, feeling miserable? That will happen. That is a possibility. It's happened to so many people. Look around if you don't believe it and you will see it. And if you need help getting started, if you need someone to hold your hand, I have a starter kit made just for you to help you get your life together. I'll take you through A through Z to help you get started on your goals, how to stay consistent for long enough until you see the results happening in your life. That'll be in my description. It's not a need. You don't need it. But if you want it, just know it's there. Regardless, what I want you to do is use your time to the best of your benefits, to the best of your abilities. Learn. Stop wasting time just constantly consuming things that don't do anything to help you. Like, if you're consuming things like this, that's fine. I remember I went through a period where all I did was like get home and listen to Hamza, this really big self-improvement YouTuber. And I wasn't really working on a business or anything like that, but I was consuming him and only him because he was changing my mindset. And eventually, he kept saying the same things on repeat, which is what I'm going to be doing, like just saying the same things on repeat. He kept saying it until it clicked on me. And like something shifted within me, and I was like, all right, now I'm ready. I know exactly what to do. Like, he taught me so much about business. He taught me so much about self-improvement. He changed my mindset. And then I was able to use what I learned to take responsibility for my life and to make changes. And now, you know, I have my YouTube. I'm working on growing it. I've gotten clients from this business. Crazy as it seems, I've gotten clients from this YouTube page. And I don't have that many subscribers. I don't get that many views. But I got clients from this page. How? Because time is passing and I'm putting in the work. And as long as I'm putting in the work with time passing, I'm bound to see some sort of result. Even if it's not like astronomical, it's something. And then eventually it will be astronomical if you know about the compound effect. But that's not the point of this video is about. The point of this video is to tell you to get started because time is passing anyway. And if you don't get started, time will pass. It will not slow down. And you'll look back over the time that passed with regret because you wasted another year, another year, another year. You don't deserve that. You've got this, all right? Get started on what you want. And if you need help, you know how to get it, all right? I'll see you later.